Don't sing of the glory, don't praise the marching drums. Remember all the children who never saw the sun. For every fallen soldier was somebody's pride and joy. A mother's little baby, once a laughing Irish boy. And somewhere there's a letter that was never sent away, with words that tell a story no one wanted to say. That war is not the medals, or the batters, or the fame. It's a young man's fading heartbeat calling out his mother's name.